Hello my friends, hope all you are doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 262 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. It is so cold outside, so I figure I'm going to make a big pot of soup. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite soups of all time, broccoli cheese soup. And this is the bomb.com. It's going to be so creamy, cheesy, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And if you're a fan of broccoli and cheese, y'all will enjoy this soup. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. So grab your broccoli and your cheese sugar, because we're about to cook some broccoli cheese soup magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. I have one stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter, and I'll bring you back when the butter's melted. Alright my friends, the butter's nice and melted. So next we're going to add in one onion that I chopped. And I'm going to add just a little salt to help sweat the onions. Going to give that a stir, and we're going to let this cook until the onion's nice and soft. Alright my friends, the onion's nice and softened. So next we're going to add in 16 ounces of broccoli florets that I chopped. And I let thaw. I used the frozen broccoli. 3 medium carrots that I grated. And 4 cans of chicken broth. Going to give that a stir. And we're going to let this simmer until the vegetables nice and tender. I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, the vegetables nice and tender. Ooh, look at those beautiful colors. Alright, that looks great. Now we're going to add in our cheese. I'm using Colby Jack, or you can use any cheese of your choice. And this is 16 ounces, which is a pound. Freshly grated. Give that a quick stir until the cheese melts. Alright my friends, the cheese is nice and melted. So next, we're going to add in 2 cups of my favorite ingredient, evaporated milk. This is going to make our soup rich and creamy. And my seasonings. I'm using 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and salt and white pepper to taste. And be careful not to add too much salt because chicken broth and cheese have salt in it. Stir that in. We're going to add in our slurry, which is 2/3 of a cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of water, and I stir until it's nice and well combined. This will help thicken the soup. And stir it until it's nice and thick. Alright, I'm gonna finish cooking my soup and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Broccoli cheese soup. Oh, it smells incredible. And it's nice and thick. Look at the vegetables. Alright, that looks perfect. So now I'm gonna fix me up a bowl and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, look at that delicious bowl of soup. And what's better than soup and a grilled cheese sandwich? That looks marvelous. And I garnish it with some more Colby Jack cheese on top. Ooh, look at that, nice and creamy. Look at the chunks of broccoli and carrot. It's a little hot, so I don't want to burn my mouth. Here we go. Vegetables nice and tender. Cheesy too. So comforting. This soup will warm up your soul. I'm gonna dunk my sandwich in it. Magnificent. Broccoli cheese soup-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and stay warm, my friends.